Hello everyone, I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video guys, we are talking more about health tips and health benefits. Kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. Today's video, pag-usapan natin kung ano ang buhay ng mga kababaihan about sex habang menopause na sila. One is never too old to have sex. Never say goodbye to sex during menopause. Hindi kailanman sobrang matanda ang isang tao para magkaroon ng pagtatalik. We primarily feel sexual desires and we should never be ashamed of wanting to have sex. Totoo na humina na ang sexual desires sa mga menopause women, pero hindi mawawala sa mga nakatatandang babae ang mga sexual desire. Sa katunayan, mababae or malalaki na nagkaedad na ay mas sexually active sila ay maaaring makaranas ng kasiyahan mula sa pagtatalik. Sexual activities the many couples usually do are hugging, kissing, caressing, as well as oral sex. There is no normal standard for the frequency of sexual activity between couples. It is okay as long as they are both satisfied. There is nothing to worry kasi hindi na mabubuntis ang menopause, so enjoy a happier sex life. Always the complaint of menopausal women during sex is my vagina feels very dry and experience pain every time I have sex. Sinasabi nga na lahat ay may solusyon, katulad ng hormonal creams, hormonal replacement therapy, and jelly lubricants may help you. Consult a doctor. And some complain menopause women is I can stop pain during sex. Usual complaint ng mga menopausal women. This may be due to weak lower hip muscles and is commonly seen in middle-aged women. Maaring makatulong ang exercise sa ibaba ng balakang upang mapalakas ang mga talamnan. Sa regular exercise, urinary incontinence improves in most women. Consult your doctor. Menopause women are saying, I'm so ashamed of feeling horny at my age. The need and desire to be sexual are natural needs of a healthy person and will not simply disappear with rapid aging. And also she is complaining that I'm so sad that my body probably is not attractive anymore. Hindi lang sa hugis ng iyong katawan o ang hitsura ang iyong pagiging kaakit-akit. The pursuit of eternal youth is impossible. Just keep yourself clean and happy. Yes, you are approaching middle-aged, but this should not stop you from enjoying a harmonious relationship with your partner in sex and many other aspects of life. Express your feeling and concern to someone you trust. You can enjoy every phase of your life. Menopausal women after age 50 should use contraception within 1 year of their last period, such as condom for the first 2 years after their last period. Correct use of condoms can help reduce the occurrence of sexually transmitted infection. If you have ever had sex and are under the age of 65, you need regular cervical smears to protect you from cervical cancer. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa video ko at sana may natutunan kayo dito sa topic kong ito. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung may upload akong bagong video. Lagi kong sinasabi, pag may bago kayong unusual na nararamdaman sa katawan nyo, kumonsulta agad kayo sa doktor. Prevention is better than cure. At kung may gusto kayong itanong sa akin tungkol sa topic na ito, mag-comment lang kayo below. Hindi ako magsasawang magpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers at non-subscribers, sa mga silent viewers. Maraming salamat po sa panonood nyo sa mga video ko, sa suporta na binigay nyo dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po sana kayo. Bye guys and love you all. Thank you for watching.